Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparentrade on a Tuesday, 11th February. We got CPI tomorrow. Just had a great class. We talked about gaps. So if you want the recording, contact my support staff, and we'll go ahead and send it out to you if you were not able to attend. Okay, all right. Let's get into the charts. Not a lot going on today with regards. The major averages. Still kind of stuck in the mud here. You can see, S&P just churning with very little. We had that gap on the weekend, came basically down to uh, just this. It's just been a mess here. I mean, you can see it's just been chopping around back and forth with tariffs initially, and then nothing new. Still want to point out the fact that I wrote about this over the weekend. This three declining tops, and tomorrow is going to be interesting. If we fall off again, that will continue this process of topping out. And if we do rally, then obviously that would nullify this. But it is worth noting for uh, you know anybody that looks at this and can see this could be an early warning signal. We don't know until tomorrow. The fact is also we made a new lower low here, but we are basically just coiling up, and anything's possible tomorrow. If we get any kind of whiff of inflation, I think we go lower. Similarly with the Nasdaq, just churning here. You can see really has to break above 22,100. All the rest of the averages similarly. Um, Nothing happening there. What did also transpire today was rates did jump. If we get again a hot inflation number, we could see rates really coming up here. If it's a benign number, then maybe we do rally. Dollar has been just stuck in the mud here. Nothing new there. Also, gold making new highs and then pulling back today. I think that's probably still headed higher. Any pullbacks are to be looked at as buying opportunities. I mentioned copper over the weekend. Um, this is also interesting related to China and so on and so forth. But everything else is kind of chopping around. I do believe we're ready for a big move coming out of the markets. Uh, Possibly tomorrow. Also, China is in the crosshairs here. I think, I mentioned this again. I've been talking a little bit more about China and copper and MCHI and all that. So if we can break above 22K in that Hang Seng, you can see we're right on the cusp of doing that. MCHI also is interesting. That doesn't come in till after. This is the ETF that tracks China. I think we break above 52. You got a shot at 60 on MCHI, so we'll see what happens there. In any event, tomorrow should be a big day in terms of volatility expansion. VIX is still sitting at 15. Call buying is still excessive, which basically just holds the averages from any kind of major rally. It's not a timing tool, but uh, we'll see if what happens tomorrow. Okay, all right. Have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you on Friday. Take care.